Hello everyone, welcome to the Walk of Wonder channel. Today we are going to take you on an exciting journey through the underground world of Paris. Paris, this beautiful and unique city, is not only famous for the Eiffel Tower and the Champs-Élysées but also for its metro system, which is one of the oldest and most extensive underground transportation systems in the world, moving millions of passengers every day. In this video, we will introduce you to the 5 largest and most important metro stations in Paris. We'll also show you how to buy tickets and share some tips you should know when using the metro. So join us and enjoy this underground adventure. One, Chatelet Station. Gare de Chatelet is the second biggest train station in Europe. Chatelet is one of the largest and busiest metro stations in Paris. The station is located near several major attractions, including the Louvre Museum, the Centre Pompidou, and the Ile de la Cité. There are also numerous hotels, including the Hôtel du Louvre and the Novotel Paris-Les Halles, and famous restaurants like Le Fumoir and Au Pied de Coquen. It serves as a major hub, connecting several metro lines, including lines 1, 4, 7, 11, and 14. From Chatelet, you can easily connect to various parts of Paris via the metro lines. Additionally, the RER lines A, B, and D also stop here, providing connections to regional destinations and even to Charles de Gaulle Airport. This station provides easy access to various parts of the city and is known for its extensive underground passages. Chatelet Station is well equipped with numerous facilities, including shops, restaurants, cafes, and cinema. There are also public restrooms, Wi-Fi access, and charging stations for phones and laptops. The station has several entrances and exits, making it convenient for travelers. Two, Gare du Nord. Gare du Nord is one of the busiest railway stations in Europe. Gare du Nord connects to metro lines 4 and 5 and several RER lines, B, D, and E, providing easy access to various parts of Paris and the surrounding regions. The station is close to several popular areas, including Montmartre and the Sacré-Cœur Basilica. There are many hotels nearby, such as the Mercure Paris Gare du Nord and restaurants like Terminus Nord and Chez Cassimy. It is a major terminus for trains traveling to and from various destinations within France, as well as international locations such as the UK, Belgium, and the Netherlands via Eurostar and Thalys trains. The station is equipped with numerous amenities, including a variety of shops, restaurants, and cafes. There are also luggage storage facilities, public restrooms, Wi-Fi access, and charging stations. The station has a large concourse with clear signage to assist travelers. Gare Saint-Lazare. Gare Saint-Lazare is one of the oldest and busiest railway stations in Paris, serving as a major hub for trains traveling to the western suburbs and Normandy region. The station has a rich history and has been a subject of many famous artworks and literary references. The station is located near several major attractions and landmarks, including the Opéra Garnier, the Galeries Lafayette, and the Madeleine Church. The nearby area, known as the 8th arrondissement, is also home to many hotels, such as the Hilton Paris Opera and the Hotel Saint-Lazare, as well as famous restaurants like Café de la Paix and Mollard. Gare Saint-Lazare connects to metro lines 3, 12, 13, and 14, providing excellent access to different parts of Paris. The station also serves several suburban train lines, Transilien, and regional trains, making it a crucial transportation hub for daily commuters and travelers heading to nearby cities and towns. It also serves suburban trains and those heading to Normandy. Gare Saint-Lazare offers a wide range of amenities, including numerous shops, restaurants, money exchange, and cafes. The station is home to a large shopping mall, Les Boutiques du Passage, where travelers can find various retail stores and dining options. There are also public restrooms, Wi-Fi access, and charging stations for electronic devices. The station is equipped with clear signage to help travelers navigate easily. de Lyon. Gare de Lyon is a significant railway station in Paris. Gare de Lyon connects to metro lines 1 and 14, and RER lines A and D, offering convenient travel options within Paris and to the suburbs. The station is located near attractions such as the Place de la Bastille and the Promenade Plantée. There are several hotels nearby, including the Novotel Paris Gare de Lyon, and a variety of dining options like El Européen and Brasserie l'Express de Lyon. It is known for its connections to the south of France, Italy, and Switzerland. It is an important hub for TGV and international trains. The station is well equipped with numerous shops, restaurants, and cafes, including the famous Le Train Bleu restaurant. It also has public restrooms, Wi-Fi access, parking, charging stations, and luggage storage facilities. Clear signage helps travelers navigate the station. Gare de Lest. Gare de Lest is another major railway station in Paris. Gare de Lest connects to metro lines 4, 5, and 7, as well as RER lines B and D. This makes it easy to travel to different parts of Paris and beyond. Nearby attractions include the Canal Saint-Martin and the Musée des Arts et Métiers. There are several hotels in the vicinity, such as the Holiday in Paris Gare de Lest, and popular restaurants like Le Petit Moine and La Taverne Karlsbrau. Gare de Lest serving as a hub for trains traveling to the eastern regions of France and international destinations like Germany and Luxembourg. The station offers various amenities, including shops, restaurants, and cafes. There are also public restrooms, Wi-Fi access, and charging stations for travelers' convenience. The station is well signposted and has multiple entrances and exits. All subway stations have good security. There are always policemen walking around and security cameras are watching everywhere. But don't forget that there are a lot of pickpockets. The 2024 Olympic Games will start in Paris on July 26th, and therefore the price of metro tickets will increase from July 20th to September 8th. The price for 10 tickets before and after this date is about €17, and for July 20th to September 8th, it is about €32, and the price of a paper ticket will increase from €2 to €4. Special tickets from 1 to 7 days are available for travelers who will visit Paris on this date or come to see the Olympic Games. There are different types of metro cards in Paris. Cards for those who live in Paris. Cards for travelers who stay in Paris for a week or a month, paper tickets and other types. In this part of the video, you will see how to buy tickets from the machine. The first thing you need to do is select the language on the machine. There are several options for buying tickets. You can choose a single journey ticket, Ticket T+, a daily ticket, or travel cards like Navigo. For simplicity, we will explain how to buy a single journey ticket. Click on the Ticket T+. There are two options in this section. You can buy a paper ticket or a ticket with a card. The price of that card is €2. Now you need to enter the number of tickets you need. At this stage, the machine will tell you the total amount and ask you to pay. The machines usually accept credit cards and cash. To buy train tickets to different cities from the machine, we have these steps. First, we choose the language. Do you want the ticket for the same time or for later? The next page has 3 sections. For those who have a SNCF special card or want to buy without a card. Next page, from which origin do you want to travel? We choose Paris Estate. Select the destination on the next page. After choosing the destination, you specify the date and time of travel. On the next page you will want to choose round trip or one-way and then choose your comfort type. The next page is about the number of passengers and whether you have anything else with you, such as a bicycle or a pet. After that, if you have a discount code, enter it. If not, choose the option without a discount code. The options available on that date are shown. We choose. On this page you can choose your preferences. And finally, by paying, you will receive your ticket.